You suck, fool.
Oh.
This is fucking funny. We're broken real, dude.
What happened there?
Oh no.
Oh, is it my turn? I think it's my turn to mess up my reel too.
What the hell happened?
Ooh, fish on, baby. Look at that. Oh, that Commodore.
Makes everything seem small, and the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. Time to see what I can do to test the limits and I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I am one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, here I stay. Let the storm rage
Whoa, fool! That was a big ass blow up, dude. Woo! That was a big ass. Oh fuck! Damn. That was a. Ooh, that was a nice one. Huh? Oh, another one, dude. Look at that, Nancy. Look at that. That long pot, dude. Look at that shit, dude. Is that long straight bait? Ooh, saw that. Oh. Yeah, I thought he had it already. I thought he had it. Fish on. Fuck, dude. Oh shit, came on. Was in the grass. Nancy got a hit already. No skunk today, huh, Nancy? Oh, that's a big one, dude. Why Nancy always getting fucking big ass one? Came on? You suck. You suck.
Okay.
Damn.
That was a pretty big size too, Nancy. Oh, Nancy already caught one already, dude. Hell no. Look at that shit, dude. She said, I'm sad, and all of a sudden fucking took it. That's hella tight, dude. Look at that shit. Up. Warm is good. Jigs is good.
Oh, they're good. It isn't like yours.
Right. Oh, that's a big one. Oh no, but it feels pretty cool.
You seen it, hon? It didn't like mine.
Look at that, dude. Nice, dude. Got a whole bunch of weeds with it too. 10 pounds of weeds. And got right in the upper lip. It's tight. Nice. California Delta. Oh shit, dude. His nose, man. Get this plier.
They don't like yours, Greg.
Fish on.
Oh, what is going on here?
Well, you suck at setting, bro.
Oh, look, they keep eating it.
Well, it's small, that's why.
No.
You need a smaller one, so they don't eat the
Oh shit.
one.
The bigger one, you mean?
No, but it's eating a little smaller. What the hell? What are you doing?
It's tight, dude. Back to back, man.
Okay, think about it.
Babe, can you get this? Take all this out,
No, you want me to do that.
please? Babe, please. That's too much.
We just walk in and grab it, dude.
Get it. I don't want to break my leg. Ooh, that's a good ass
That's a good
one.
one, huh?
That's a good 3-pounder right
Oh
there.
shit.
That's bigger than the one I had.
Nice, dude. Ooh. Nancy caught another one, dude. Pretty big too, huh?
Oh, damn it.
Oh.
Oh, that's a nice solid 2-pounder right there.
Here, you take it off. Just this.
No, can you take that
No.
stuff down, please? Please, babe. See how easy that was?
Yeah, slow down for the brush hog now.
Slow down
I
there.
think, ooh, right here. Yeah, baby. Look, this guy's hella wild. Wild. Set them hella good too, dude. Like, this is wild caught bass.
What if they're all stuck like right there? Because you keep going?
They are. No. Fish on. That was like, why the hell my line's running? Bite. Seaweed. Fish on? Oh, that's a big one.
Oh my god, babe.
Oh, that shit came right.
Babe, I'm
Oh,
so sorry.
It's okay.
oh, it made me
I'm
want to
so
stay longer.
sorry.